Today we are going to talk about how to escape from nervousness during interviews. So the first topic is body language. You might have already watched n number of videos before going for any interview and all speak about body language tips, and you will try to follow those tips during any interview. But actually, when you're trying to follow those tips and remembering that during an interview, actually it creates more nervousness. So subscribers, the main theme is not about body gestures. So it's all about how much comfortably you can express your qualifications, skills or anything. So the tip is just feel the interviewer or the person in front of you as you have already know him and make yourself more comfortable before going for any interview. So the second point where everyone feel nervous is stammering. So what are the cases you generally have stammering? The first point is you should be having stammering from your childhood. Second point is if you are not confident on what you are speaking, and the third point is if you are about to lie. So for the people who are having stammering from childhood, the tip is they have to speak slowly during interview. That can reduce stammering, and you can also say directly to the interviewer saying that you have stammering from your childhood. And for the people who are not confident and who stammer a lot, the tip is you have to practice a lot in front of a mirror. So you have to feel the mirror image as an interviewer, and you have to practice these interview sessions by yourself until you are perfect in this. The third sub point is never ever say any lie, because if you lie about any skill, the next question can trigger you. So the third point is dress perfect to look perfect. So when you dress perfect, you obviously get some confidence level and you obviously speak nicely or you speak confidently. So dress according to the venue, then always you look confident. The fourth important point is the best starts has best ends. So what this point mean? Consider you have went for an interview and in the first question or in the second question you might have done a mistake. Obviously this will reflect to the whole interview process and you will be keep on thinking about it and you will feel more nervousness. So when you are attending any interview, start with a great note and try to maintain it, because if you have a great start, you will maintain it and you will also have a great end. So the fifth and the casual important topic is knowledge. Usually people speak about confidence building tips, but they all miss one important point is knowledge. As you heard it right. Why? Because if you know proper knowledge on what interviewer is going to ask, then obviously even if you are not having the first, second, third and fourth points, with this point you can easily crack any interview. So if you have knowledge and if you are very much confident on what you are speaking or what the interviewer is going to ask, obviously you can crack any interview. So subscribers, these are the 5 important points to escape from nervousness during any interview process. We are coming up with more interesting topics for you, so please do watch our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.